Today is a celebration of adulthood and a thanksgiving of the life God has given to their lovely celebrant. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Let us put ourselves in the loving presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord our God, we dedicate this day, this very special day to you, for it is you who gave us the most wonderful gifts, a loving daughter, a helpful cousin, a trusted friend, and a wonderful person overall. In the person of Kimberly Ashley, may you continue to shower her blessings and keep her on the right path so that she may realize all her dreams and remain humble, God-fearing, and responsible young adult. Bless also her family and all those who care and love her. Lord, be our silent guest tonight as we celebrate Kimberly's 18th birthday. Be with us, O Lord, and bless everybody who made this event possible. We also thank you for this day, its beauty and its light. You have done so much for us and you keep on blessing us. Bless Kimberly as she celebrates her 18th birthday today. May she become more fully a reflection of your radiance. Give her strength and compassion, courage and wisdom. Show her the light in herself and the others. May she recognize the good that's available everywhere. Give her deep peace that she may serve you most deeply. All these we pray in Jesus' name. Amen.
Give a round of applause to Mr. Ronald Aguilar and Mrs. JJ Aguilar! One more time, let's give a big round of applause from the family, Mr. Ronald Aguilar and Mrs. JJ Aguilar. Pwede ba may kasamang hiyawan? Alright! Thank you so much! Let's put our hands together as we welcome the main highlight of today's celebration. And as she steps into a higher level of life, ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause to the loveliest celebrant in town, Miss Kimberly Ashley Aguilar! In a land not so far away, there was once a little girl with the beauty of an angel, born on the 19th day of January, year of 2006. This girl is the first and only daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Aguilar. She grew up with so much love and kindness. As she continues to achieve her goals, she wants to become a successful IT someday. She also enjoys filming and editing. She is very grateful to her parents for their love and support for her. Now, she's ready to take the step as she journeys towards womanhood. Indeed, she has all grown up, and what a sight she has become. She's now stepping on her stage, guided by her escort, Mr. Artie Kenneth Velasco, a family friend since elementary. in the air. And wave it like this. Wave it wildly and with a wiggle of your hips. Everybody, let's make some noise! As we welcome the grandest reason we are all gathered here today. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Ashley! Everybody say, happy birthday, Ashley! Happy birthday! Palakpakan mo guys na kasama hiya mo! I think everybody's ready for this. Please do raise your hand if you know the answer. The first hand that I see will be given a chance to give the answer. Stand up from your seat and please do go in front. All right, here we go. For the first question, she made it very easy. Okay, can you please tell me, or can somebody tell me, where is Ashley's place of birth? First to come here. That's our instruction. Where is Ashley's place of birth? Okay? Anyone? All right. Anyone? Maganda ang ano nito, what do you call this? Maganda ang price nito. Ang price nito ay one night stay. Wow! Kung saan siya pinanganak. Anyone can guess? From the family, how about the relatives? Yes. Can you give me the place where she was born? Okay, maybe we can do a multiple choice. Okay, is it in oh yes, we have a, try, okay. Is it Talavera? No, not Talavera.
Claveria.
Claveria, Cagayan Valley is the correct answer. Palakpakan naman natin. Okay, actually, yung nakalagay po dito, yung eksaktong sagot, tama po yun, Claveria, Cagayan. Ang nakalagay po dito, sa kwarto ni Tita V. Claveria, Cagayan Valley. Kung saan din po siya ginawa. Ay, hindi. Mali pala. Ano ba? Hindi. Kwarto pala ni Tita V. Okay. Ayan. So, nanalo po kayo ng overnight stay sa kwarto ni Tita V. Claveria, Cagayan Valley. Malakpakan nyo naman. Overnight stay po yan. Complete with her air conditioning. Diba? Lahat po ng amenities. Congratulations. Next, who is Ashley's top artist in Spotify? Is it Ariana Grande, Selena Gomez, or Taylor Swift?
Taylor Swift.
Is correct. At dahil tinuro lang niya sa kanya ang premium. Hindi, bahala na kayo mag-usap. Taylor Swift is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, next. Who is, or who was pala? She used to be an Ateneo fan. Who was her favorite volleyball player? During those times, she was crazy about volleyball. Yes.
Eliza Valdez.
No, incorrect. Bea de Leon, grabe to! Pambansang marites sa buhay niya. Hindi, galing ha. You know her very well, and we're proud of you. Thank you so much. The answer is, isi-share na sa kanila yung sagot na sinabi mo, which is correct, Miss Bea de Leon. Ayan. Alright, can you please give the names of her 3 cats? Is there any way they know this answer? Okay, so siya lang ang karapat-dapat dito sa buong bulwagan. Siya lang po ang nakakaalam ng sagot. But ikaw ba si BFF? Kaya pala eh. Hi! Alright, so give the names of her 3 cats.
Kimboy, Celine, and Haya.
Selena, Kimboy, and Haya are correct! Nanalo ka ng mga puting and goods sa pet store. Pipikapin mo, bibigyan ka namin ng pet voucher. Okay. Lastly, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. How long is her patience? Everybody? Wala is correct! Tama po, wala naman siyang patience. Kaya let's now move on to the first 18 of our program. How about a round of applause? Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Ashley for those questions. And indeed, Ma'am Ashley, they know you very well. Let's have the 18 carols in treasures. So let's start. The first candle and treasure is someone who became a guiding light and is constantly showering her with love from the very moment that Ashley has come to this world. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Miss Ashley, your beautiful and loving mother, Mama Jingjing Aguilar. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Happy birthday, Ashley. Thank God nagkaroon kami ng anak na tulad mo. Sobrang proud kami sa iyo. Mula pang kabata mo ay nabigyan mo kami ng magandang achievements, being consistent, always pupil, and until now, isa kang scholar sa inyong school ng 6 years. At hindi lang yun, may bonus pa na being rank 1 sa buong year 11 ninyo ay sobrang nakaka-proud na yon. And sana maging humble ka lagi at huwag lalaki ang ulo. At sana matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Lagi mo lang tatandaan, nandito kami ng papa mo. Gagabay sa'yo. Kung ano man ang gusto mo, susuportahan ka namin. At tandaan mo, nag-iisa ka lang. Kaya dapat isipin mo ang kapakanan mo lagi at yun. We love you. Magpakabait ka na wag kayo lagi. At hindi mo kahit 18 years old ka na ay lahat ng bagay ay pwede na sa'yo. Lagi mong tatandaan, sundin mo pa rin yung batas ko sa bahay. Lagi mo pa rin konsultahin ang nanay mo para magabayan ka kung saan man ikaw napupunta. We love you. Makabait ka na.
Let's honor the mother of this celebrant with a round of applause. And now let's hear from Miss Daphne Velasco.
Thank you. Thank you for the friendship despite the big gap of our age, and I always look up to you as a big sister to me, and I'm grateful for that. So now on your birthday, I wish you all the best of health and may you successfully fulfill your dreams. Happy birthday.
Let's have Miss Nicole Macas.
Happy birthday, thank you for joining your birthday, especially when you're special. And laging ako na always here for you once you're out there. And I'm really thankful that I met you. Kasi napakabait ng bata. And then, hindi ka rin nasawa na gusto ko. I know where you are. So, may all the desires of your heart. You always want me to think that I love you.
Coming up next is Miss Janice Columbia.
Happy birthday, Kimberly Ashley, and I hope na ma-accomplish mo lahat ng mga dreams mo sa life, and I wish
na-witness nyo na nagpupuyat lagi and ginagawa yung mga assignments mo and mga activities mo sa school. And sana maging humble ka palagi and respect elderly as always. Tsaka wag laging mainit ulo. Tsaka wag karoon ka ng patience. And again, enjoy the rest of your day. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Miss Janice. Coming up next, Miss Jody Alexia Pasigan.
Hi Kim! Happy birthday! You look dazzling today as always, syempre. Legal ka na, well for me, nagbago lang sa'yo is age mo kasi feeling ko legal ka na sa lahat dati pa. Alam ko na ng grade 4 nung una kita nakita. Sobrang na-intimidate ako nung sa'yo kasi ang cool mo, smart, tsaka ang charismatic mo bigla. So yun, tuloy niya ako. Pero I'm glad na nakilala pa rin kita through a friend which is Pao. Kasi ang unique mo kung paano ka makasarap. Kung paano ka kahambalan ka ba kung paano mabilis magbago mukha mo pag nilinis ka. Tapos nagigil ka afterwards. Kaya hindi mo naman dapat. Tsaka thankful ako na kahit may wala tayong gala or grand session nandun ka. Tsaka nag-relax ako kahit hindi ko awkward ng minsan kasi alam mo naiintindihan ako. Ayun. So, I'm happy and glad na nag-impart ako ng buhay mo. Sana magpatuloy lang since to be alone na wala ko sa buhay ko. Sige na, tama na. So, I love you, Kim. I love your personality and character. And I hope it doesn't change since that's what makes you the person you are. So be proud and don't ever change no matter what it is. I hope the super best for you, especially na magka-college na tayo. And many challenges and opportunities will come. So let's keep fighting and remember that I'll be your side. I'm glad so happy God.
Thank you so much, Miss Jody.
So, hi Kim! First of all, happy birthday to you. And I'm really grateful na naging friends tayo since grade 7. Ang sayo mo kasama, nakaka-enjoy yung company mo, lalo na yung chikahan natin tuwing nakikita tayo sa hallway. I know stress ka na sa schoolwork, most especially sa research natin na hindi na alam kung paano pagagawin. Sama mo pa yung iba mong subject na mag-run. Speech ko. I know mahirap talaga siya, lalo na graduating tayo, but I just want to say na kaya mo yan. Pag hindi, ay, bala na. Basta ganun. Love you. Happy Legality, Kim. Thank you for being a part of my happiest days, years, and lessons. Filling those academic years with laughter. Thank you for being my support system, my chat kit before. Marami nangyari at nagbago, pero katulad ng dati, I love you and I always wish you all the best and may your wish all come true. Nandito lang kami palagi. Happy Legality.
Let's have Miss Ryan Reyes.
Hi, Kim. Hello. Happy Legality. And I wish you all the happiness and success in your life. Ang dami mong achievements and nakaka-proud rin as a friend. Actually, hindi ko talaga inaasahan na magiging magkaibigan ka. Kasi magkaiba talaga yung personality natin. Pero naalala ko talaga nito. Ikaw talaga unang nag-approach sa akin. Pero thank you. Nami-miss ko rin yung mga times na nagulukan tayo. Such. Ako naman yung isa sa mga kaibigan mong maaasahan mo talaga. Kaya pag nahirapan ka or kailangan mo nakausap, dito lang naman. Medyo matagal ako mag-reply. Wala na ako. Anyway, ma-comfort na rin pala rin siya. I will try my best kasi ganun din sa akin. And I just want to return your kindness. Ikaw yung isa sa mga kaibigan ko, ang saya kasama. Kaya gusto ko talaga mag-last yung friendship natin. Kaya magdating ng college, huwag mo akong palimutan na. Approach mo lang ako kasi hindi ako nagpa-pursue. Pero syempre, kamusta pa rin kita. Nag-catch up ka nun. Then again, happy legality and I love you.
Thank you, Rian. Let's have Andrea Nicole Rico.
Happy 18th birthday, Kim. Thank you for being my friend. You were my friend since grade 8 and I saw kung gaano ka talaga hardworking and responsible, lalo-lalo na sa accounts. Deserve mo lahat ng mga recognition na nakukuha mo ngayon, like your works being featured sa Stellan's Journal, and yung pagiging captain mo sa Gorgeous, deserve mo lahat yun. I'm actually proud of you, and lagi kitang ina-idolize kasi you have the abilities na hindi lahat meron, like yung magiging mathematician mo, yung nexus skills mo, yung ina-admire kasi yung galing-galing mo talaga. Tapos, I always admire your abilities and I believe na malayo mararating mo kasi magaling ka and ang dami mong potential sa mga big opportunities. With the skills you have, sure ako na it won't be hard to fulfill your dreams. And I wish you nothing but genuine happiness. I am honored that I am here today to celebrate your special day. I hope that as you blow your candles, may God grant the wishes of your heart. Know that lagi na ako nag-iisip para sa iyo. Love you.
Let's call Christine Pearl Cassini.
Hey, babe. Happy legality to our very kind, smart, and most gorgeous Kim. I wish you a great and successful life ahead of you. And just remember that we are always here in every step of your life. And whenever you need help or you're having a hard time in life, nandito lang kami palagi. I hope that you would always stay healthy and be able to achieve all things that you want to do in your future. Good luck to the start of your adulting journey, and I wish you all the best. I wish all the best for you, our future idol. Love you, baby.
Let's hear the message of Ayeksha Mayan Joaquin.
Hi, Miss Captain. Or shall I say Ashley? That's how I address you during our grade 10 days up until our first time talking during 11th grade. You know what shocked me while getting to know you? Is how much you have complimented me with what I can do, where I should be the one who's praising you, and should be humbled about what you can do here without. Kim, I have never met anyone as genuine as ever except for you. You have always dedicated yourself into anything that you are passionate about, and it's definitely your main trait I adore about you. I'm so proud of you, Kim. For only a short amount of time, I have already seen you achieve so many things, and I'm in love with the idea that I got to witness that as your friend and as your vice captain. I'm lucky that I got to be part of your life and have you as the most witty, effortful, and responsible friend and woman in mine. I know, Kim, that you tend to feel so overwhelmed, and let me tell you that these things and love you have been receiving is not even close to what you deserve, and I will gladly contribute to all of that too. Kim, you know that I'm always here for you. Not only during those times when we want to mess away at times, but also the times when you feel alone and tired. I'm here to cling to you even more and comfort you. I know how much you love that. I always want to thank you for being such an inspiration for me to work harder and better, just like how you always do. That's why I don't worry about you so much, especially we are now in our senior year of the college. I know you will experience college with even more accomplishments, and I will always still be here supporting for you, even from afar. I love you. Happy birthday.
Let's now call Hannah Beatrix Deliesa.
Hello. happy birthday. Just hope ko lang kasi hindi naman ako mag-prepare. Pag naka-wish ko lang sa'yo, sana magkaroon ka ng smooth journey in life. Tapos, ikaw yung go-to person mo, pero is mo na, wala ka na talaga magpuntahan. Lang rin.
Let's hear the voice message of Isibo Michelle Terry.
Kim, sabahin mo ang aking presensya.
Kimberly, you were one of the reasons why I had a fun and such memorable first and last year sa Stella. Andun ka noong mga times na nahihirapan ako sa ACADS. Lahat naman tayo, especially sa math, sino ba naman ang hindi. Pero andun ka pa rin, nag-e-effort ka na tumulong din sa iba kahit na ikaw sa sarili mo nahihirapan din nun. And I am so thankful to you for that. With you, I never felt the fear of being judged. Nung time na nagkaroon tayo ng medyo maliit lang naman na misunderstanding. Medyo. I hate confrontations and I suck at it. Pero nung ikaw, hindi ako natakot na baka mawala si Kim pagtapos neto. Baka hindi na kami friends after namin magkausap. Yung mga ganon. Pero hindi. And maybe that's when I realized na our friendship is far more mature than that. Baka umiyak ka na dyan. Huwag ka umiyak ka. Hindi man na tayo ganun masyadong nakakapag-usap. Just know na andito pa rin ako to listen to your problems, rants, and of course, chicas. You know naman na I'm just a one chat away or call if gising na ako nun. Or yeah, sige, kahit gisingin nyo ako, sige lang. Andito lang ako. Andito pa rin ako. Gisingin nyo ako. Ayun. Ayun lang. Continue to shine, Kim. Good luck sa college and sa future. You know your strengths and you are well aware of your weaknesses and may you use them to achieve your goals. Ayun. To my co-videographer, seatmate, captain, kabardagulan, and of course, Diyos ko Lord, ang walang kamatayan, na duo ni Karil. Happy birthday! I wish you well and only the best in life. I miss you and I love you so much, Kimberly. Mwah!
Thank you so much, Miss ICBU, Michelle Terry. Now let's hear from Lalaine Diana Mendoza.
Hi Kim, happy 18th birthday. First of all, thank you sa lahat-lahat. Thank you kasi haba ng pasensya mo sa akin kahit alam ko na naiinis ka na. Thank you kasi lagi ka nandyan para sa akin. Lagi ka nakikinig sa mga rants ko. Thank you for trusting me always. Hindi tayo naging close nung junior high school days natin. Pero buwing-bawi naman ngayong senior high. Kasi sobrang close natin. Sa'yo ko na unang sinasabi mga secret ko sa buhay. Pero thank you kasi kahit nag-aaway tayo, hindi mo nire-reveal or hindi mo ginagamit yun against me. Kaya I really appreciate you. Don't worry kasi safe rin naman sa akin lagi mga secrets mo. Sorry kasi alam ko may mga times na nainis sa akin and nainis ako sa'yo. Sorry sa mga away natin. Sorry rin kasi yung mga times na nagsasagutan tayo these days dahil sa school works. Oo. Sabihin mo lang sa akin pag nainis ka, maintindihan ko naman. Sana pag tumagal, hindi magbago yung friendship natin. Kaya mo kayo pa rin yung unang makakaalam ng mga crush ko. Sana hindi ka na laging galit after the love. Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayong gabi, pero feel ko oo naman kasi pinaghirapan niyo to eh. Kahit ang dami yung ginagawang schoolwork, ginagawa mo rin to, so I know worth it lahat ng pagod mo and pagpuyat mo. Sana matupad mo lahat ng goals mo. And I'm always here to support you no matter what. Kahit mag-away pa tayo. Always remember, nandito lang kami palagi para sa'yo. Lagi akong makikinig sa mga rants mo, kaya huwag ka lang maiyang magsabi. I love you so much. Good luck sa life. I know kaya mo yan. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Lalaine. Let's have Miss Beryl Joyce Garcia.
Good morning, good night, good afternoon. So, inspired by Lotso to. Kasi essay siya. So, hi Kim. Ginawa ko itong message ito at 1 AM na kahapon, ay kagabi. Iba rin pala yung feeling pag gumagawa ng letters madaling araw. Kasi parang lutang na nag-review sa P6. Pero in all seriousness, I just want to give you a very big happy birthday greeting. Kilala natin yung isa't isa since grade 8. And to be honest, at first, natatakot ako sa'yo nun. In a sense na na-intimidate ako kasi curious ka kasi nun. So, pero at first, balance lang naman. Kasi alam mo, nung nag-start tayo mag-usap, nagbago yung tingin ko na yun. Kasi ang warm-warm mo palang kausap. Nung grade 8, parang nasa baby steps pa na yung friendship natin. Joke here, joke there, dito, doon. And hindi ko na-expect what was actually in store for our friendship. Na I believe fate really destined and kailangan talaga ni Bag. So fast forward to grade 11, ang lahat na lang pinagbago natin. Pero I want to tell you na this was the year na hindi ko na-expect na magiging very close friends natin. Naging duwa tayo unexpectedly and basing from chances and probabilities. Ang unexpected nun. So, I love na naging duo kita. Sobrang nating naiintindihan yung isa't isa. We have the same standards, expectations, and almost like the same minds. Or kahit man magkaiba tayo ng iniisip, we make ways na ipag-connect yun. So, from classmates, you and Lalaine have become like sisters to me na. That's why I want to say na confidently, I don't think I will survive SHS life without your presence. So you have been such a meaningful friend to me. Ang smart mo, magaling ka mag-isip. I could see your thing that not other people see. That's cool. May very serious and girl-boss side ka, parang Yeji and Ryujin lang. Pero meron ka rin side na kalog sa bog and sika. Pero most of all, isa kang loving and affectionate na tao. So these are just some things I love about you and things na I'm glad I experienced because of our friendship. Thank you for always cheering me up and sa pagiging medj clingy mo. So not all friends are like that. So from time to time, it's a nice thing to have. Thank you for being a great leader, captain, Capricorn, Pony GL Buddy, Pony BL Buddy. Best friend and a sister to me. I will continue to support you and root for you sa mga dreams and hopes mo sa life. Be yourself and enjoy life to its fullest. Kasi honestly, kahit 18 ka na, it's just the start of life. So remember to always allot time for yourself. Be patient and sana matuloy natin mga tanong natin na relate na mag-tour sa ibang bansa. So to more chicas, Lulunes, Darlings update. And years to come for you. I will always appreciate, love, and treasure our bond. I love you a lot and I keep you within my heart. Happy 18th birthday, darling.
We have now come to the last candle and treasure, which is specially reserved for the debutant's best friend since elementary, her emotional support, a shoulder to cry on, her best BFF in life, and she's none other than Miss Hyacinth Froyale. A round of applause.
Ayun, hi, upo ba ako? Ako kasi parang matagal-tagal ito, mga 10 minutes. Charot, hindi, ayan. Hi, my constant, my sister by heart and best friend by love. Happy legality, and grabe, 18 ka na. Dati, ganito ko pa lang. Charot. Ayun, serious mode. More than a decade of friendship that we have is something that I'm really grateful for. And I'm proud to say that more than half more than half of your 18 years is nandyan ako and nakita ko lahat ng achievements and failures mo. Ayan, I can't believe na makakahanap ako ng katapat. Ng katapat sa katigasan ng ulo, ng katapat sa kung kanina 0% yung level ng patience mo, ako naman mga 3, ganon. And hindi ko akalain na makakahanap ako ng katapat, which is ikaw, na akala ko sobrang bilis ko maubusan ng patience. Pero nung nakilala kita, I was like, feeling ko, ang galing-galing ko mag-control ng emotions ko kasi ikaw, hindi kita nalalaman. Pero ayun, thankful ako sa lahat ng tulong. Wala na nakasulat. Thankful ako sa lahat ng nangyari, sa lahat ng nagawa mo sa buhay ko, sa lahat ng nagawa natin. And masaya ako na sa mga firsts na nangyari sa buhay mo is andun ako. And masaya ako na naging part ka talaga ng life ko, na nakilala kita. Hindi ko alam kung anong magiging itsura. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako kung wala ka. Kasi isa ka talaga sa mga kaibigan ko na laging nandyan, na madaling puntahan, madaling kausapin, madaling pakiusapan, madaling mag-request. Kasi feeling ko nga hindi mo ako natitiis eh. Ayun, hindi. Hindi ko na alam kung ano sasabihin ko kasi alam mo naman na yun. And sana alam mo rin na andito lang ako lagi. Na kung ano pang gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, sasamahan kita, sasakyan kita. Kung gusto mong sumayaw dyan sa gitna ng kalsada, sasamahan kita. Kung gusto mong magpakabaliw bawat oras, kung gusto mong umiyak, sasabayan kitang umiyak. Gusto mo kumanta, sasabayan kita kumanta. Gusto mo sumayaw. Lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay, andito lang ako palagi. And you know na I'm really proud of you. Sorry, magsasara na ba? I'm really proud of you. Andito lang ako palagi. Kung ano mang gusto mong desisyon gawin sa buhay mo, nakasupport lang ako sa'yo. Bukod kila tita, naging kapatid na talaga kita. Parehas tayo only child. Kaya siguro tayo may nagtagpo. Kasi wala tayong kapatid. So, siguro tayo yung tinadhana para maging magkapatid. And, ayun, happy birthday. Yun lang, siguro. I love you so much. At, wag sana tayo. Ayun, yun lang po.
Let's show our appreciation para sa love ni Haya kay Ashley. Palakpakan natin, her best friend. Now, ladies, please line up and sisindihan na po ang mga kandila. Ashley will be blowing the candles one by one. voices. Let's start off with the forever most handsome and supportive gentleman in Miss Ashley's life. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ashley, your loving papa, Mr. Ronald Aguilar.
Hello. Happy birthday na. Ngayon, kailangan makamit mo lahat ng pangarap sa buhay. Sabi nga naman mga nandito lang kami lagi, nasuporta sa'yo. Ang ganda mo na. Alam mo lang, proud ako sa'yo. Andito lang ako na yun. Nagkita mo kahit ano man yung problema mo, nandito lang ako. Support lang dito. Ikaw yung sinabi ni mama mo. Parang naman natin.
Thank you so much, Sir Ronald. Ladies and gentlemen, the father and the deputy. Let's give them a big round of applause. Let's have Mr. Mark De Gregorio.
Happy birthday, Ash. Thank you for being a friend to me since grade 2, kahit na sinusungita mo ako ng grade 2 kahit dalawa ni Aya. pero pinilit ko pa rin na makipag-close sa'yo since yun nga, ilang years na rin tayo magkapit-bahay lagi.
So, alam mo na, kapag birthday ulit, andyan si mama at saka sila tita, papahanda tayo, papabukoy ulit. May nandun si mama sa'yo na
paborito mo na. So, yun, more birthdays to come. Wish you good health and happy birthday, Ash.
Engineer Ricardo Banal.
Good evening, everyone. So, actually, most of you don't know me. I'm from the side of his papa. So, actually, we are not that close, Ashley, actually. But I am very happy that she invited me on this big celebration of her life. Kwento lang, di ba naman ako prepare ng speech actually. Kwento lang, kasi siya yung isa siya, I'm a faculty. So therefore, parang naging mentor, parang naging mentee ko siya para makamit niya yung mga pangarap niya sa buhay. And I am very proud of her. And she's very smart actually. Kapag nakakausap ko siya, napakatalinong bata. At alam ko kung ano mga pangarap na gusto niya, kung anong pangarap niya sa buhay, anong Ash, makakamtan mo yun. Actually, ang dami ko ng actually.
So, make your parents prouder. Narinig ko kanina, they are very proud of you and make them more proud. And you can achieve all what you want. Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Ash.
Up next, Mr. John Spurrier.
Hello. First time ko sorry. First of all, happy birthday, Ashley. Magkakilala tayo since noong LM and pumunta ako sa bahay na naglalaro tayo na Dave na lahat ng kalokohan natin ginagawa natin and more blessings to come and good luck sa'yo sa college and keep your parents proud. Yun lang.
Kurt Raul Istanbul.
Yun, how do we start? Team Tao said it. We never kept ups after graduation natin. Pero you're one of those people sa batch natin na ayaw kong tingnan eye to eye. Na I know na isa sa mga tao na nirespeto ko. Not because dahil sa accolades, pero kasi work ethic mo, very, kita naman, till high school, sobrang, pa rin with accolades. So with that, happy birthday, 18, and I hope that in dreams mo, makamtan in the future. See you when I see you.
Let's go, Mr. Rolly Frialin.
Hi, I'm Rolly. Have a blessed birthday, Ashley Kimberly Aguilar. Ang pinaka-sexy at pinaka-maganda sa buong mundo. Napag-alaman ko, ninang mo pala aking asawa sa Kampil. So, ninong mo ko sa ayot sa gusto mo. Sabi nga nila, ang ninong-ninang daw ay isa sa gagabay sa'yo. Yan. Siguro hindi ko man maipangako na magabayan kita na maging isa kang mabuting tao. Pero may kilala ako na isa na makakapaggabay sa'yo. Siyempre si God. Magagabay sa'yo na hindi ka pababayaan. Happy birthday, no? Always smile. Maganda kami. Ewan ko lang bumas.
Let's have EJ Sheen David.
Happy birthday, Ashley.
So, lagi akong proud sa'yo. Galingan mo lahat. Ako naman kaya mo lahat eh.
po ay ang kanyang kuya. Galing all the way from Pampanga, palakpakan naman natin. Dito na ng kuya. Masa Engineer Raul Ventura.
Hello. Naano ko dito. Akala ko yung kasama dito. Nagulat ako dito. Happy birthday, Ashley. Ang masasabi ko lang is una, Panginoon, para lahat ng dreams mo, yung mga plano mo, and future mo ay maging successful ba? So, sabi sa Jeremiah 29 verse 11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future." Yung pangako ng Panginoon sa iyo, yung Panginoon. So, kung may patas si mama mo, mas maganda sulat yung patas ng Panginoon. Diba? Yun. Yun lang masabi ko. Happy birthday, and sana matupad mo lahat yung mga pangarap, and nabigyan mo pa ng paging proud pa sa mama at papa ko sa'yo. That's all.
Mr. Elimar Ravina.
Magandang hapon mo, gabi sa inyong lahat. Naibang naramit yung kakabsa, no? Taga-isabi nila kung taga-Cordero. Nagaling English. Di ba ako nakaka-English? But anyway, na-imbag na pag do you speak Ilocano? So, nag-LTDF. Despite that I'm not so present in your life, thank you for inviting me to be part of this very memorable milestone of your life. Your mother is like a sister to me. She's my friend since college and until now. And I was happy, and I have been very happy that I am always a part of your family. Sometimes I just drop by, and you know, the affinity is just as strong when we were young. And today, I look at you and I see the young Gigi in you. And I'm very happy that you have grown to become a very beautiful young lady. And siguro, no, ang tanging makikiling ko lang, siguro is a prayer, ang dedication ko sa'yo that God will give you the wisdom that you need. I see how proud your parents are to you because of your achievements. Because God has given you a gift, no, the gift of intelligence, and you should have to use that for the betterment of yourself, of your family, and humanity, of course. Hinihiling ko, no, idawdawat ko kini Apo. Nakakahiling nga naman na Ilocano. Idawdawat ko kini Apo nga ipanagbiag mo kaya't naragsak. Kaya makasapul ka, iti kapipintasan, no? Ang kapya o peace, no? Ng iyong pamuluhan. But I wish you the very best of what can you become, no? As a daughter of God and as daughter of Ronald and Gigi. I always pray for you, even I'm not always here physically, but I'm just around all these things. Just here. Thank you, God, for the life of Ashley Kimberly. God bless you, and happy 18th birthday.
have Mr. Art Dambrel and your mayor.
Hello, Kimberly. First of all, I just really want to say thank you. Thank you for being that friend na katabi ng mga sa chicas. Same din sa'yo, kapag yung mga chika ka, matagat ka lang sa akin dito. Whenever may mga K-pop things, nangyayari, especially about ITZY, we really go crazy about it. I am forever grateful na isa ako sa mga tao, mga communities ng iyong transformation as a woman. For kalokohan ko, my close student, my close bestest friend. Always remember, open palagi ang aming barbecue, kaya don't hesitate to chat if never here. With the interview discount.
Thank you so much, Art. Please enjoy a dance with Ash. Let's call Adriel Sam Mamansa.
Ang bago magsimula, hindi ko sinilahan. Happy birthday, Anthony. Always ka maniniwala. Lord, Cherry. Huwag ka muna mag-ubay ka.
Wow! Very protective pala to si Adriel. From the 18 Candles and Treasures, let's call back Miss Leladia Mendoza. To dance with them. We also have with us Mr. Giovanni Gerbo Velasco.
Hi, Ate Kim. Happy birthday po.
Let's have Miss Karel Joyce Garcia. May I call Mr. D. Diary?
Hindi po ako nakapag-prepare ng speech. So, happy birthday na po.
Let's have Joel Vincent Balacos.
Kaya, birthday. So, yun. Pare, hindi ka na. Ito naman. Ayun. So, thank you for being with me. You are... Nung una talaga kita nakilala na so, nung una talaga kita nakilala, grabe, ang impression ko is very studious na very responsible. And I guess that's one of the reasons na kaya I look up to you as a classmate and of course, our class captain. Of course, as a good friend, and that I hope, or sana ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams mo, and that nandito lang kami, nandito lang ako para supportahan ka.
Let's have Miss Hyacinth Royale. Arkin Kenneth Velasco as our 18th rose.
Happy 18th birthday, Kim. Your presence in our lives brings so much happiness and warmth. May this year bring you even more love, success, and cherished memories. There you should have. Wala yung mga kansa mo.
Before proceeding to the next part of the program, we would like to call on Mr. Mark De Gregorio and Ms. Hyacinth Royale for their very special song number. Let's give them a round of applause.
huwag kang mapuno sa pag-iihaw. Darating din ang pag-asa sa mong pinapangarap. Di ba sapat na ika'y mayroong pag-ibig na sa puso mo hindi may papalit? Ika'y umiinig, init ng hangin sa kamay mo malamig. Dahil nandito na sa aking paningin, pili pa rin ang isipan mo't damdamin. Magkarating pagkila sa kanyang piling, kahit umikinig. Kung panalangin ko'y di marinig, abutin man ang bawat sandali. Kailangan kong isigaw, ako'y iyong iyo, ang dalangin ng puso, ikaw. Sandali, huwag mong pigilan ang iyong pagluha. Damdamin mo'y aahit sa pag-ibig natin hapon. Aabutin ng iyong palad ang hangarin. Magkarating pagkayat sa kanyang piling, kahit umikinig. Kung panalangin ko'y di marinig, abutin man ang bawat sandali. Kailangan kong isigaw, ako'y iyong iyo, ang dalangin ng puso, ikaw. Ako'y sa bawat pipit ng aking pagdadalaw ay hindi ka malapitan. Aking iusap na anong tawagin ko'y di malamig. Kailangan kong isigaw, ako'y iyong iyo, ang dalangin ng puso, turn the rhythm up, don't you want it? Let's just come along for the ride. Hold my arm so tight and see my heart tonight. I can take the heat, baby, best believe that's the moment I shine. Never romance, sitting bed, so you a day. Let's get out of the tears, baby, don't change. I could dance, I could dance, I could dance. Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it in my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I still keep the party running, I wouldn't care out of place. Lately, I've been moving close to the edge, till the look in my bed. I see on the beat, you can count on me, I ain't missing no sense.
tears of knowing that diamonds on my face. I'll still keep the party going, I'm on here right of place. Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I'll still keep the party going, I'm on here right of place. When my heart breaks, when the world shakes, I don't feel safe. I can dance, I can dance, I can dance. Thank you so much. And again, happy birthday to our dear Salvador. Thank you. Here's Miley Cyrus. Got a drink again, be soon. We will ride till we were built a home and watched it burn. I don't want to leave, baby, I don't want to fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold mountains. Yeah, I can love me better than you can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love you. Hey, my name's Jerry Red. That's your rose that you live. No remorse, no regret. I forgive every word you said. Oh, I don't want to leave you, baby. I don't want to fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, yeah, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, yeah, well I can hold mountains, yeah, I can love me better than you can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I don't want to leave you, baby. I don't want to fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, yeah, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, yeah, and I can hold mountains, yeah, I can love me better than, oh, I can love me better than you can love